Okay, we're going through the car wash. Lulu, this is your first car wash. What do you think? What do you think, Lulu? Oh, look at the bright colors. What's that? What's that? Oh my gosh. She was just barking earlier. Look at that. Oh my gosh. What's going on? Oh my gosh. Lulu. Oh, oops. Sorry. She's hiding. She's hiding. Oh, I'm sorry. Mama didn't mean to scare you. It's okay, Lulu. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. Look at Lulu. Oh my gosh, Lulu. Oh. Oh, look. Oh boy. Oh. Okay. Oh, Lulu. It's gonna be done. It's gonna be over. You're okay. You're okay. All right. It's done. Her first car wash.